Guys, for today's video, pupunta kami na Atlantis, The Royal. Dito na lang tayo. JM, let's go here. Look, oh, there's a fire. Let's go. No? Guys, for today's video, magdi-dinner kami ngayon dito sa Malibu, Atlantis. Atlantis, The Royal. Ito si Mother, si Tito Jock, and there's JM. And JM. So, liga, pasok tayo dun. So, first time kasi nila nakapunta dito. So, feeling mayaman kami for today's video. No?
One day value na.
Yeah, at dahil yung kay Marimar. Naku po, Marimar, na ano tayo sa kuhan. So guys, asosya sa pero si Marimar magkantawa na malakas.
Gago yung tawa ko talaga.
Ayun sila, Mother. Come here. Oh, Jem is really rich for guys. What? Go here to Louis Vuitton, oh. You want to buy something here in Louis Vuitton, JM? Oh, look. No, that's water. That's water. Do you wanna go to water? That's water, oh. Oh, yeah, but don't go there. Here muna tayo dito. Dito, come here, JM.
Come. Dito si Samin. Here.
Oh, wag na, halika na. Doon na lang. Look, oh, Marimar, nag-enjoy ka ba? Sobra. Jem, are you enjoying? Jem. Ikaw, Ronel. See that? Yeah, let's go here. Ay, na sila, Mother. Marimar, dito tayo. Okay ka lang? Dami kami. Ayan, pagdidikitin ng upuan. So, may heater sila dito. Ayan, para mainit. Ayan, feeling mayaman kami for today's video. At pag tinignan mo ayan si Mother, oh. Pag tinignan mo ang taas, ayan, ang cool.
Ayaw
diba?
nga
Ang
wala.
ganda. Yan yung pinaka-Atlantis na Royal. Wow naman si Mother. Napakayaman. Ni Madin.
Anong ginagawa mo sa London?
Kaya nga, tinan mo ang damit. Tinan mo tinan mo yung emerald. Napaka na emerald nyo. Tumataginting.
Doble pa yan.
Kaya nga, tinan mo, emerald. Ayan si Ronel. Si Ronel hindi nilalamig. Ayan si Tito Jock, lamig na lamig. Jem, why are you still playing until now?
JM.
And then si Marimar. Na ayan na, di ba? Mother! Jem's enjoying. Wala dito joke. Ayan. At si Marimar.
Finland.
For today's video, mayaman tayo, no?
Oo, mayaman tayo dito. Pero pagdating sa Jollibee, bana tayo. Orderin natin lahat. Dito pa konti-konti.
Matsaya ka naman, Marimar.
For the
Ayan, nagpandesal po si Mother. Paano rin na yung pang mayaman? Sige, so kukuha ka ng pipira sa'yo yung maliit.
parang balat ng baboy.
Mama, hindi daw kinakain na buo. Na ganun, pipirasuhin mo pa, ayan. Tapos ilalagay mo dyan. Tapos wow, ang yaman mo na. Ayan si Mama, wow. Tapos pag kumakain, lagi nakasarang bibig. Totoo. Diba, JM? Wow, pati yung upo niya, Aba, pinakita pa. Pinakita pa yung Imagine. Paano ulit, Mama? Ay, nakapilantik pa. Okay, kukuha ng konti. Lagyan mo ng butter. Ayan, gano'n. Si Tito Jock naman, ayan. Tapos wow. Si Marimar naman. Paano yung pang mayaman, Marimar? Ayun na si Marimar, pang mayaman. Kukuha. Wow, ang landi. Wow. Tapos may wag mo bubukal bibig mo. Poise pa, Mas nasa mi din. Wait. Mayayaman, Mother. Kakaibang mayayaman. Yung newspaper ang ginagamit. Pang Wow. Natuto na, Mother. Paano ginawa mo? May butter. Hindi pa nakakain nasa loob ng bibig. pa nakasusubo, hindi pa nauubos. Huwag ka mamumungalan. May pakape pa kunyari. May panulak. Wow. That's mine.
That's yours?
Yes. I really love that.
We've been here before also, right?
Yeah, I'm always here actually.
Yeah.
I just bring my family so they can also experience. Wow, I love the burger. Burger.
So where should I keep the burger?
Wow, I love the salad. It's really nice. And this is my avocado toast. I really love this. And yours is?
American hot dog sandwich.
Oh my God, you love American hot dog? Yeah. And Caronel's burger. And JM is enjoying too. At si Mother. Ba yung 1 kilo nila? Talagang we ordered 1 kilo of chicken. Yeah. Oh my God, talagang may kiluhan. I don't think that it's 1 kilo. You have to. This is, yeah. Is that okay if you're going to take us a photo? Guys, we ordered 1 kilo of rice and tada! Totoong 1 kilo. Di ba?
Wings and fries.
Yeah, wings and fries. Hi, Marimar. Very busy. Ayan, sa akin pang breakfast. Tito Jock, chicken, and JM, yes, a burger. And Mother, hi! Say hi! Yeah, okay. So let's eat. Guys. Ayan, wow. Tingnan natin kung masarap. Everyone is busy taking a photo. Wow, Jem! Masarap? Good? Wow! So ayan, kuha na si Mama ng chicken. And this is mukhang masarap na, Mother. So Mama, mamaya, mag-start ka na maghugas ng pinggan. Mama, mag-start na maghugas ng pinggan. Wala pang ba? Ayan, ang sarap. Kakaiba. Pero, I think sulit tong 1 kilo ko 175 lang. No? Parang kumain ka na rin dun sa ano. Not bad. Wow. Hindi, kukuha din kami. Okay. So, ipon ko muna pang kakainin. Ipon natin yung chicken. I'm really excited. Yeah. Mano. Okay naman. Okay, so everyone is enjoying. Yes, ang sarap ng food. So let's eat. Handkerchief, pang mayaman, gamit na gamit. So ayun, no. Maliit na bagay daw. Ay, si Marmar, ganyan kumain na mayaman. Guys, ayan po, dahil nagreklamo si Mama na may dugo daw ang chicken, binigyan kami ng bagong chicken. Pagkatapos naubos na yung mga food, si Mama po ang dahilan. Ay! Kasi ayan, o, diba? So ayan na, let's taste it. So ngayon, sinunog na nila. Toasted na ang ginawa. Toasted na, oh. Guys, we're done eating. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, Mother? Yeah, o, tinawa si Mama. Oh, JM. Tito Job. Yeah, rin na. Sulit na. Oh, mas okay. No, Marmar. Biglaan. Yeah. Let's go. So guys, ayan, naglalakad-lakad muna kami. Si JM, lamig na lamig. JM is washing his hands. Wow! Wow! Get your jacket, get your jacket. Get your jacket. Where's your jacket? Your jacket is there. So guys, it's a good timing din kasi dancing fountain is here. Ayan sila. So maganda yung dito, fountain din. Nakakatawa. Look at the view here. Ayan, ang Atlantis, the Royal. Ayan. So, si Rihanna dito siya nag-concert before. Si JM nag-i-enjoy. You wanna go home? Why? Wow! Ang ganda! Wow! Guys, so that's all for today at nag-enjoy ang lahat. So we're going home na. Bye! Or mainit? Hindi mainit? Oh, Ronel! Jam, look! Jam, look! Oh! Wow! So guys, enjoy na enjoy sila dito sa apoy. Ayan, si Marimar. Oh! Sige pa. Oh! Wala pa yung apoy. Ayun! Oh! Wow!